In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset Salesforce Security Token. If you use integrations like data loaders, API tools, or third-party apps to connect to Salesforce, you'll often need a security token. It acts like a one-time key that proves you're you, especially when you're signing in from a new device, a new network, or after a password change. Resetting it is quick, and I'll walk you through exactly what to do and what to expect. Start by opening Salesforce and signing into your account. Once you're on the home screen, look to the upper right corner and click your profile avatar. That opens a small menu with personal options. From there, choose Settings. This takes you to your personal settings area, where you can update things related to your user profile. If your interface looks a little different, don't worry. Some organizations use slightly different themes, but the path is the same. Open your user menu and go to Settings or Personal Settings. On the Settings page, use the search bar on the left, sometimes labeled Quick Find. Type Reset My Security Token. You'll see a result named Reset My Security Token. Click that to open the token page. If you don't see it, your organization may use IP restrictions or single sign-on that removes the need for tokens. In that case, reach out to your Salesforce administrator for guidance on the reset. My Security Token page, click the Reset Security Token button. There isn't a long confirmation process. Salesforce immediately generates a new token and sends it to the email address associated with your user account. The previous token is deactivated, so any tools that were using the old token will stop working until you update them with the new one. Now, check your inbox. The message usually arrives within a minute or two. If it's not there, look in your spam or junk folder. Still not seeing it? Make sure you're checking the email account tied to your Salesforce login, and if necessary, to your admins to confirm that email deliverability is enabled for your user. When you receive the email, store the token securely. Never share it publicly, and don't paste it into unsecured documents. Most tools require you to either append the token to the end of your Salesforce password when logging in, or enter it into a dedicated token field. Update any saved connections with the new token so your integrations keep running smoothly. That's it. You opened Salesforce, went into your settings, searched for the token page, and reset it. Keep your token safe, and you'll be ready to connect your tools without interruption.